Alright, welcome back everybody. I haven't done a video in a long time, so I thought I'd make a quick video. I bought a new pistol the other day. Bought a LFA Armory Apollo 11, 2011. A really nice gun for the money. I had them on sale, so I picked one up just to show you. It is clear. There's no ammo around the gun at all. So I'm gonna put a Holliston red dot on it. Then I got a weapon light, nightstick weapon light. But this gun comes with a really nice savior case. It's got a lot of different compartments and stuff on it, places for magazines. For the money, it seemed like a pretty good buy. So let me get the red dot unboxed and the plate off the 2011, and we'll continue. So this is what we're going with. We'll see. I don't know if you can see the. You can see the thing in there or not. There it is. Pretty nice little sight. All right, let me get this plate off of here, and I'll get right back with you. Get the old fix-it sticks out. All right, let's see. That looks pretty sweet. Looks like it was just made for this gun. It fits in there perfect. Let me find the screws. Get a little blue Loctite. Look up the torque specs. I'll get back with you. All right, so the screws already have Loctite on them. So that's a plus. Well, it'd be nice if I could hang on to it. I'm not sure. That's too big. Let me get these tightened down. I'll get back with you. All right, the instructions say 15 inch-pounds. So let me run these down so they're snug. Okay, I'm gonna go 10 inch-pounds. Well, actually 15 is the first mark on there. So hope I can get that on camera. There's 15. There's 15. All right. We should be good to go now. It's fairly close to the sights. All right, now let me get the light out and we will get that mounted. All right, we got the sight on. Just set it on there temporarily. This is it seems like a well-built sight, or light, I'm sorry. It's very bright. One thing I ain't crazy about is the way you put batteries in it. And they may all be that way, I'm not sure. But you have to take it off, take the back off to put the batteries in. Oh, I don't have a Phillips out here. Let me go grab a Phillips and hook it back. We'll get the batteries in this thing and get it mounted. All right, we got the batteries in it. You can see it's a pretty bright light. It's supposed to be 1200 lumens, so that ought to get the job done. All right, let me tighten this down. Okay. All right, that is. I will get some range video pretty soon with this gun. Take it out the range. We'll get the red dot sighted in. Take it out and play with it. See what it's capable of. So far, I like it. I've shot a few mags out of it in the backyard, and seems like it's going to be a really good shooter. Alrighty, thanks for watching.